U23 men. Everything seems to be ready for the next race. Spain, Czech Republic, Hungary, Brazil in the central lanes. Started now. Hungary, good start. Also Brazil. So lane 3 Hungary, lane 4 Spain, leading at the moment. Then Czech Republic and Brazil, but also Ukrainian is coming out for the third place. Let's see the split now. Spain, Czech Republic, Hungary, Brazil. So all the central lane from the third to the sixth actually leading. Good position for Spain. Now Hungary tried to attack. Also Czech Republic very close. Spain 50 meters to go for the gold medal to resist to the attacks. Great paddling for these guys from Spain. Then we are on lane 7 Poland, coming very, very strong at the end and gained the silver medal. It's a surprise. And Spain, second gold medal for them, Juan Moreno and Diego Dominguez. C2 U23 men 500 meter world champions, Spain. Here we have the review. Of the race. And here the split time with Poland on the back, in the middle of the group, and then they came out very, very fast at the end. So Hungary for the third place on Czech Republic at the photo finish. Fifth place for Brazil.